Good evening everyone, or naimbag nga rabii. For tonight's video, let's continue learning more insects and pests in Ilocano. So, let's start. If you saw a spider and you wanna say, a spider or spider. Spider in Ilocano is lawa-lawa. Lawa-lawa. La-wa. La-wa. Lawa-lawa. And a grasshopper in Ilocano is dudon. Dudon. Du-don. Dudon. Flea or timel. 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 A centipede is gayaman. Ga-ya-man. Gayaman. A beetle is barrairong. Bar-ra-i-rong. Barrairong. One more time. Barrairong. And a moth in Ilocano is sinan kulibangbang. Sinan kulibangbang. Si-nan ku-li-bang-bang. Sinan kulibangbang. So, that's about 6 insects and pests in Ilocano, and I think that's it. Yep. And before I say bye-bye, let's review our 6 insects and pests in Ilocano. We have the spider or lawa-lawa. Lawa-lawa. And a moth, sinan kulibangbang. Centipede, gayaman. And flea is timel. Beetle in Ilocano is barrairong. Barrairong. Grasshopper in Ilocano is dudon. So, that's it. And good night everyone. See you on the next video. Bye!